Hey there, science lovers and curious minds. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the weird, the wonderful, and the downright wild world of science and biology. I'm so excited you're here. Buckle up, because today, we're counting down 10 weird and unusual facts that will blow your mind. From three-hearted cephalopods to poop that defies gravity, get ready for a wild ride through the wonders of nature. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Octopuses are amazing creatures. They can change color, squirt ink, and even squeeze through tiny spaces. But did you know that these masters of disguise have 3 hearts? 2 pump blood through their gills, and the third circulates blood to the rest of their body. When octopuses swim, the 2 gill hearts actually stop beating. It's like their circulatory system takes a quick break, while their arms do all the work. Their copper-based blood isn't as good at carrying oxygen as our iron-based blood. So those 3 hearts have to work extra hard. Isn't that incredible? Octopuses are proof that nature is full of surprises. Okay, let's talk about wombats. These adorable Australian marsupials are known for their burrowing skills and their cube-shaped poop. You heard that right, cube-shaped poop? It's one of the weirdest and most wonderful mysteries of the animal kingdom. Scientists believe it all comes down to territory marking and physics. The cube shape prevents the poop from rolling away, so it stays put and sends a clear message to other wombats. Plus, wombats have a very long digestive tract, which means their poop is super dense and compact by the time it emerges. It's like nature's way of saying, hey, look at me, this is my turf. So the next time you see a picture of a wombat, remember their remarkable digestive system. Giraffes, those towering giants of the savannah, with their long necks and legs, they're like something straight out of a Dr. Seuss book. But did you know that these gentle giants are also the ultimate power nappers? Giraffes can get by on a mere 30 minutes of sleep a day. They take short 5 to 30-minute naps throughout the day, often standing up or leaning against a tree. In the wild, being vulnerable means being prey, so they've adapted to catch some Z's on their feet, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. Scientists believe that giraffes have evolved a unique sleep cycle that allows them to get the rest they need in short bursts. For giraffes, those short bursts of sleep are enough to keep them going strong in the African savanna. Get ready to meet the Benjamin Button of the sea, the immortal jellyfish. This tiny creature, scientifically known as Turritopsis dohrnii, can revert back to its juvenile form when faced with stress, injury, or old age. When threatened or nearing the end of its life, this remarkable creature can transform its cells back into a younger state, essentially starting life over again. The immortal jellyfish has pluripotent stem cells, which can transform into any other type of cell in its body. When the jellyfish senses danger or deterioration, these stem cells kick into action, reorganizing the entire organism and creating a brand new polyp. Technically, the immortal jellyfish can live forever, as long as it doesn't fall victim to predators or disease. It's like having a biological reset button. The immortal jellyfish is a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Ah, the cockroach, those pesky little critters that send shivers down our spines. They've been around since the age of dinosaurs, and they're probably going to outlive us all. But did you know that these hardy insects can survive for weeks without their heads? Cockroaches have a decentralized nervous system, which means they don't rely on their brains to control their basic bodily functions. They breathe through tiny holes called spiracles located on their bodies, and their blood circulation isn't dependent on a central pump like our hearts. So, even without a head, a cockroach can still breathe, move around, and even react to stimuli. Of course, they can't eat or drink without a head, so they eventually die of dehydration. Cockroaches play an important role in the ecosystem as decomposers, helping to break down organic matter and recycle nutrients back into the environment. Starfish, those colorful star-shaped creatures that grace the ocean floor. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny dime-sized species to massive multi-armed giants. But did you know that these mesmerizing creatures don't have brains? Instead of a centralized brain, starfish have a network of nerves called a nerve ring that runs in a circle around their central mouth. This nerve ring acts as a sort of command center, coordinating the starfish's movements and senses. Starfish can sense light, touch, and even chemicals in the water, which helps them find food and avoid predators. Starfish also have the incredible ability to regenerate lost limbs. If a starfish loses an arm, it can simply grow a new one. Starfish are proof that intelligence comes in many forms and are a testament to the power of adaptation. Get ready to meet the Methuselah of the sea, the Greenland shark. This enigmatic creature, found in the cold, deep waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic, is officially the longest living vertebrate on Earth, with a lifespan that can exceed 400 years. To put that into perspective, some of these sharks swimming around today were alive during the Renaissance. Greenland sharks live life in the slow lane. They're slow-moving, slow-growing, and have an incredibly slow metabolism. They grow at a rate of about 1 centimeter per year, and don't reach sexual maturity until they're around 150 years old. Scientists believe that their cold, deep-water environment and their slow metabolism contribute to their incredible lifespan. The frigid temperatures slow down their bodily functions, while their low-energy lifestyle reduces wear and tear on their cells. Their slow and steady approach to life has allowed them to achieve an incredible lifespan that puts even the oldest humans to shame. Get ready for an overload of cuteness. Sea otters, those furry little denizens of the Pacific Ocean, are known for their playful antics, their insatiable appetites, and their adorable habit of holding hands while they sleep. Sea otters are incredibly social animals, and they often sleep in groups called rafts to stay safe and warm. To prevent themselves from drifting apart in the currents, they'll often hold hands, forming a floating cuddle puddle of furry love. Holding hands serves a practical purpose for sea otters. It helps them conserve energy by reducing the amount of effort it takes to stay afloat. Plus, it ensures that everyone in the raft stays together, preventing any sleepy otters from drifting away into the open ocean. Holding hands is their way of staying connected and safe in their watery world. So the next time you're feeling stressed or lonely, just picture a raft of sea otters, bobbing along in the waves, holding hands and napping the day away. Butterflies, those fluttering jewels of the insect world. Their metamorphosis from crawling caterpillars to winged beauties is one of nature's most awe-inspiring transformations. But did you know that these delicate creatures retain memories from their days as caterpillars? For years, scientists believed that the metamorphosis process completely wiped a butterfly's memory clean. But recent research has shown that butterflies can actually remember experiences they had as caterpillars. Certain memories and learned behaviors are stored in a butterfly's nervous system in a way that survives the metamorphosis process. These memories, passed down through metamorphosis, can give butterflies a survival advantage in their new, winged form. So the next time you see a butterfly flitting from flower to flower, remember that it's not just a beautiful creature, it's a living testament to the power of memory. Hold your breath and get ready to meet the ultimate survivors of the animal kingdom, lungfish. These ancient and enigmatic creatures possess a remarkable adaptation that allows them to survive out of water for months, even years at a time. Lungfish have a unique respiratory system that allows them to breathe both air and water. When the dry season hits, they burrow into the mud and secrete a mucus cocoon around themselves to stay moist. Then they slow down their heart rate, reduce their metabolic activity, and enter a state of estivation, a type of dormancy similar to hibernation. During estivation, lungfish can survive on their own body tissues, breaking down muscle and fat reserves to provide energy. Lungfish are a true testament to the power of adaptation and the tenacity of life. And there you have it, folks. 10 of the weirdest and most fascinating facts about science and biology. From three-hearted octopuses to poop that defies gravity, we've explored some of the most amazing wonders of the natural world. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this wild ride through the weird and wonderful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.